Still building Excel dashboards for hours? What if you could create a fully dynamic, auto-updating dashboard in just 1 minute, using AI? Let me show you how. First, you need a clean dataset. Here's a simple sales and profit dataset we'll use. Make sure your data has headers and no blank rows. This is very important for accurate results. Now, let's save the file. Go to File, click Save As, choose Location, and give a file name. Hit Save. Now, open your browser and search for Claude AI. Go to the official Claude website. Sign in using your Google account. If you're new, it only takes a few seconds to create your account. Once you're inside, upload your Excel dataset directly into the chat. Just click the plus icon, then add files or photos. Choose your file, and click Open. In the prompt box, type this: create an Excel dashboard using this sales data. Include total sales, total profit, profit margin, total transactions, sales by state, sales by product, top 5 profitable products, and a trend chart. Hit Enter, and let Claude AI do the heavy lifting. Within seconds, it generates a complete dashboard structure for you. Now simply download the file. Let's open your ready-made dashboard in Excel. And just like that, you've created a fully dynamic, AI-powered Excel dashboard in minutes, not hours. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share this, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more smart, time-saving Excel tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.